Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to use Measure application on your iPhone. So with Measure application on your iPhone, you can measure distance, you can measure objects, and as well you can measure height. So when you open Measure application on your iPhone, you want to move your phone around so that the camera could see your room and also calibrate. So now, on your screen, you want to see this white dot. So let me show you. As you can see here, you can see this white dot, and you want to aim this white dot at the starting point of what you want to measure, like this. And now tap plus button, and now slowly move your phone to end point, like this. And you will see dotted line following your movement. This is it. And now tap plus icon once again to lock the measurement. So it says 6 centimeters. Okay, so that's how you do that, and as well you can do that with height. Okay, and the next tool is level. So you can use your phone as traditional spirit level, which is perfect for hanging, for example, something on your wall so that it was in the right place. So that is basically how you can use Measure application on your iPhone, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.